Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept, 2 Minutes, we are diving deep into batch normalization. Dear friends, think of a group of musicians tuning their instruments before a concert. If each player starts at a different pitch, the harmony falls apart. But when everyone tunes to the same bass note, magic happens. That's exactly what batch normalization does in a deep neural network. Each neuron might produce outputs with widely different ranges or distribution, making learning noisy and unstable. Here, batch normalization steps in and say, let's tune everyone to be the same baseline. The result is faster, more stable learning and a model that hits the right notes. As neural networks get deeper, they suffer from something called internal covariance shift. So that's just a fancy way of saying as layers update during training, the distribution of their inputs keeps shifting, forcing every next layer to constantly readjust. And here batch normalization fixes this by normalizing the output of a layer. For each mini batch, compute the mean and variance of the inputs. And next, normalize the inputs. And after that, apply learnable scaling and shifting. So this process keeps each layer's output well behaved, and that makes the whole network easier to train. And here, dear friends, batch normalization doesn't just stabilize learning. It brings several hidden benefits. Yes, fast convergence. That is, model trained much faster. Next, higher learning rate. Of course, you can use more aggressive learning without things exploding. And next, regularization effect. So it reduces overfitting in practice even without dropout. And next, reduced sensitivity to initialization. Yes, dear friends, the network becomes more forgiving to how you start. So because of this, batch normalization has become a default component in most deep learning model from CNN to Transformer. And dear friends, batch normalization is like tuning your orchestra before a big show. With every neuron aligned, your model performs in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video, dear friends. Happy learning.